Hello everyone. If you want to set up and use ring modes like home, away or disarm, this video is going to show you exactly how to do it in 2026. Now modes may not be enabled by default on some of the accounts. So you need to open your ring application. Afterwards tap on this hamburger icon on the top right hand corner of the screen. It is going to redirect you inside the settings. Now here inside the settings, look for the option of modes. So here we have the option of enable modes. If prompted, the enable modes for your location and continue. So when you enable it, you are going to see these types of 3 modes in front of you. So before using them, you need to know what each mode actually does. So first of all, we have disarmed. So cameras won't record or send alerts if you basically select this particular mode. Then we have the home mode. The indoor cameras are off and the outdoor cameras are going to stay active. The away mode is basically all the cameras and the motion detection are active. So you can switch the modes anytime depending on your situation. You can also control how each camera behaves in every single mode. For that, in the ring application, you just have to go to the menu, then select the mode, and then you need to simply tap on the mode. After that, simply go to the camera setting and select each device and choose whether it should record or stay off. Now, this is going to help you avoid any unwanted recordings when you are home. So that's how you can basically use the modes in the ring application. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.